Going to be reading for the sign of Virgo from now until the end of the month. So what's coming up for you guys? So let's take two cards for what's happening in your current scenario. Virgo's the month of August. I'm sorry for giving it late. Right now, many of you guys could be overthinking. Okay, this could be regarding your finances, your security, your future, your possible business or your career. Okay, right now you're also confused. Some of you might not be getting proper sleep, but you are basically restless. You might also be going through some anxiety issues. Doesn't have to be, but it's majorly due to confusion of what next. Okay, so give me one more card in terms of soulmate connection. What's happening in Virgo's life? In terms of soulmate connection, what's happening in Virgo's life? One card for that. Okay, with Six of Cups, I do feel like you have a person. In the past, there was no communication or nothing was happening. But right now, okay, right now also this person is ghosting you. You might have just recently reconnected, but I do feel like you both are heavily thinking about each other. If you guys have no contact, then I believe you both are heavily thinking about each other. You both are going back through the memory lane, and basically thinking of all the good times that you people have spent together. Right now, in the past, we had the moon card, so this person was definitely not opening up much to you, even if they were communicating. For some of you, this might be a Pisces, but right now, I believe that this person is not very communicative as well. Okay, so even though you guys might be not talking or might not be communicating, I still see you guys heavily thinking about each other. Okay, so how are they possible to come forward towards you? One card for how is your person going to come forward towards you? How is your person definitely going to come forward towards you? Okay, right now with Four of Swords, this person is taking their own sweet time before reconnecting. Okay, top card is Two of Wands. So this person might be holding back a lot. They might be having other options as well. Okay, but majorly I still feel they will take their own sweet time before coming forward. Okay, in the past with Page of Pentacles, I do feel for selected few of you, this person might have tried to reconnect in the past, but it did not get anywhere. Okay, it went through the same old journey, the same things basically repeated. Okay, right now top card we have King of Cups though, so I do feel like in the future this connection still has a chance of moving forward, but right now your person is holding back. Okay, I still see them holding back a lot. Okay, like many of them could be having other option as well. I'll be very honest about it. Okay, so how are they thinking about you now? How is the Virgo Summit tool thinking of Virgo? How is Virgo Summit tool thinking of Virgos now? Okay, so your person feels stuck to you. Your person definitely feels restless over you. In the past, I feel they were trying to basically reconnect, but nothing happened. If they were not trying to reconnect, I see your person very self-focused. Okay, they are working very hard in terms of their career, in terms of their future. Okay, top card here, I see them having own family issues right now. To be honest, I feel they did not have time for relationship. I feel lots is happening in their personal life right now, and they are not in a position to basically give you commitment. For many of you, they feel helpless that they cannot come forward. Okay, even if they wanted to, they are definitely thinking about you. They definitely feel stuck to you. If this person tried to move on, I do not feel they were able to. Okay, yeah, with Eight of Wands in the past, this person was heavily working on themselves. They could have tried to basically reconnect, but it did not get anywhere. Right now with the Devil, you both feel obsessed about each other. Like you both feel a sense of addiction towards each other. No matter which options you have, I still feel you are still wanting to reconnect. Okay, so let's pull one card for you. What's Virgo's energy right now? One card for Virgo's energy. What's Virgo's energy like? With Emperor card, you guys are trying to take back control of your life, okay? Not saying much, doing much, trying to behave all normal, okay? With Four of Cups, in the past, you feel rejected. You felt like this person wasn't giving you any value, nothing that sort, okay? With Knight of Swords, you are also upset with this person, okay? Some part of you still wants to reconnect, whereas the major part of you is telling you to just stay focused on yourself, do not show emotions, to like do not possibly show that you still want them. But I still feel some part of you still wants them, to be honest, okay? So let's take one card for your person's energy towards you, one card for Virgo soulmate's energy towards Virgo soulmate's energy towards Virgo, one card for that. Okay. Your person has Queen of Pentacles. So even if you guys are not connected, this person still thinks of you, still cares about you, still possibly wants to look out if you find or not. Okay. With Ten of Pentacles, I do feel like this person at some which point in their life wanted commitment with you. Okay, this person actually wanted to marry you. Okay, they had plans and all that shit, but things did not work. Their life right now seems messed up, to be honest. Okay, so I feel even if you guys are in separation, this person still is connected with you in energetically. They still think of you. They still care of that you are doing well and all that shit. Even though they might not be showing it, they still do care about you. Okay, I'm going to confirm that for you. So one card for their current feelings towards you. What's their current feelings towards Virgo? What's their current feelings towards Virgo? One card for their current feelings towards Virgo. Current feelings for Virgo. Okay, right now with King of Swords, this person is showing no emotions, trying to stay all detached, trying to get all cold. With Six of Wands, even though right now they might be behaving like they do not need you and stuff, behaving very detached from you, behaving like they don't have feelings for you, that's all a show. Okay, they are pretending that. For some of you, you are connecting with an air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. For some of you, this could be a Virgo. For some of you, it could be a Pisces. Okay, so I also feel there is a Leo in the picture. Okay, but whatever it is, with Six of Wands, this person will want your attention. They cannot stay away from you for much, you know it. Okay, it's not like they can basically just move on from you just like that. They will definitely try to reconnect, but not now. I see a stagnancy between the two of you. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. Virgo soulmates intentions towards Virgo. Virgo soulmates intentions towards Virgo. With the World card and Queen of Swords and Justice, many of you, this cycle in the past has already ended. Okay, don't get me wrong here. With Queen of Swords, this person might have cut you out from their life. Okay, with Justice card, but right now I feel some of them feel like they did you wrong by cutting you out from their life or pushing you away or kicking you out. Okay, one more card as to what action they are wanting to take towards you now. What action does this person want to take towards Virgo? One card for what action they want to take towards Virgo. What action do they want to take towards Virgo? With King of Cups, I do feel like they basically want to reach out, they want to communicate. Okay, so by the end of the month, where is this connection possibly going? Where is this connection possibly going for Virgos? One card for where this connection is possibly going. With Queen of Cups and Seven of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles, for many of you, your person will definitely try to reconnect. Okay, how are they like possibly like how do they view you now? One card for how do they view you now? How do they possibly view you now? Whoever soulmate, how do they view you now? Sorry. With Page of Pentacles, they still feel like in the past that they hurt you, but right now I still feel like they know that deep down you are still attracted to them. Okay, deep down they still know that you are not going to quit on them. Okay, right now they feel like you are holding back, but that does not mean you are not attracted or you do not want them. But they know that you are holding back right now. In the past, they know that they put you through lots. This reading might go vice versa. So this might be the Virgo doing this. So take it accordingly. Okay, don't get affected. So one card for what are they wanting from you now? You already have a card for that. With King of Wands, this person still wants the sexual drama going on. They are still very passionate about you. I do not feel they want you to stop, basically flirting with them or reaching out to them or acting all passionate about them. Okay, with Empress card, they basically want you to show or give them attention and show that you are still interested. Okay, top card is King of Pentacles. One of you is very highly focused on Pentacles, your finances, and that's why you do not get time to reconnect. That's kind of weird. Okay, one more card, please. Okay, the main reason that things did not move forward is because there was lack of partnership. One, you guys were holding back. You guys were not expressing feelings, and one of you was acting like a player. Okay, they could not commit. Okay, so that's something. So let's take love messages from your person. Love messages from Virgo soulmate. Love messages from Virgo soulmate. Okay, I sit here missing you every day. So I sit here missing you every day. I still love you. Last card we have is sorry, I don't have the finances. So right now your person might be heavily focused on their finances because they do not feel like they are deserving of you. They cannot give you commitment, or they would not be able to give you that stability if they had to reconnect now. So many of them, their main focus could be their finances. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for sign of Virgo. If it resonated, please do consider hitting the like button. I love you guys, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for all your support so far. See you soon, guys. Cheers.